For many diploma and early engineering students, electronics doesn't feel real. Circuits stay inside textbooks. Concepts feel abstract. And no matter how much you study, connecting theory to real-world applications becomes confusing. You understand what it is, but not how it actually works. In that gap, that's where most students get stuck. But what if learning electronics felt real? Introducing the IoT Trainer Kit, a complete learning platform that brings hardware and software together into one interactive experience. Instead of just reading circuits, you build them. Instead of imagining outputs, you see them happen in real time. With simple blockly-based programming, you don't need to worry about complex coding. Just drag, drop, and create. Test your ideas. Run simulations. Control real components like sensors, LEDs, and motors instantly. Every concept you learn, you apply it immediately. No confusion, no guesswork. Just clear hands-on understanding. This isn't just learning. This is experiencing electronics the way it's meant to be. From theory to reality.